Hello everyone. In this video, we'll get started with a React project. First, you need to visit createreactapp.dev, and inside this website, you have to click Get Started. Inside of Getting Started, you'll find all the commands necessary to get started with a React project. I'm using a Mac, so I will use a terminal, but if you're using Windows, you can do it using Command Prompt or PowerShell. So first I will drag and drop the folder where I want my project folder to be. So I'm going to write cd and then drag the folder and then press enter. After cding inside this folder, what I want to do is I want to write npx create react app. So it has to be spelled exactly this way: create-react-app. Then you have to write the name of the folder where you want your project to be. So I'm just going to write hello project and then press enter. Depending on your internet connection, this will take some time. I'm just going to skip this to the end. All right, so the process is complete. Then we have to cd inside the folder that we have created, cd hello project, and inside of this folder we have to execute npm start command. So we have successfully initialized our project. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.